What's going on, guys? This is me Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you a DIY mood lamp Arduino project which I got from Creation Create. They sent me this project and asked me to make a video of this Arduino mood lamp project. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial and stay connected with my channel. So guys, here is the box that I got from Creation Create. I will leave their website link in the description below. Now let's quickly unbox it and see what are the equipment we got into the box. Opening the box, first I got an Arduino Uno introduction card. Then I got a paper lantern, an Arduino Uno R3 with some GPIO pin. Then I got a breadboard, couple of jumper wires, a USB cable, 3 RGB LEDs, resistor, an LDR and couple of flat jumpers. That's all we got into the box. Now let's build the mood lamp. Circuit implementation is very easy. You can build it by following the user manuals comes with the box. So I will fast forward the building part. Okay guys, now the hardware part is ready. To make it work, we need to upload the code to the Arduino board. To do this, connect your Arduino with the computer and using the Arduino ID, upload the code to the board. I will add the source code of this project in the description box. When the code will be uploaded, LEDs will power up. Now put the lantern on the lights and your mood lamp is ready. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I am Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I am signing out.